Cybersecurity news that everybody's talking about is the Canvas data breach. So this is the software that is widely popular for school children to use to get their assignments, to interact with their teachers. It is mostly in the K through 12 education space, and it's a big data breach. So this is also highly sought after email addresses. A lot of adult email addresses are easy to get. If you put things out in LinkedIn and your social media, if you own a business, your email address is out there in the world. For a student, for especially like an 8th grade student, that email address is highly protected. A lot of times it is going to be one that was set up by a parent specifically for that child to interact with the school, to get those assignments, to do the notifications, to communicate with a teacher. It looks like 275 million were data breach. It is not that many people because we don't have that many students on the system. That's how many messages were breached. So if you're going to put a number on it, let's say, conservatively, it might be something like 30 to 50 million. Still a big number. I think it's also going to come back out because of the type of data it is. Should not be the date of birth and the social security number, but it's going to have the ability to know approximate age of the student because it's going to know what grade they're in. It is definitely tracking that type of information that is not as protected. So we know we have an 8th grader named Sally Smith, and here's her email address and her communication with her teacher, Miss Lambert, and it's got the fact that Miss Lambert's email address is going to be there too. So this is something that hits students and teachers. Adults, you need to be aware, especially if you're the adult of one of those students, because you may find that mailbox is now being targeted by hackers that are sending things that look like it's from the school, look like it's from a school, look like it's from a county for a field trip come the fall, and want you to click on things. And the end goal is they're trying to get access to your credit cards. Adults, they want your credit cards. They know that your kids know where their credit cards are in the house. Be very careful on this. This can lead to a lot of social engineering. I really wish this hadn't happened from Canvas, but this could be one of those data breaches that has legs for a number of years. If you have a kid that's in here, my suggestion is to get them a new email address for the fall term. I know we're here at the end of the school year, but if you can get them a new email address and start over for fall 2026, I think you're going to be in a much better position and have to worry less about some random emails that come in.